Hey guys, welcome to Couch Potato Get Fit, and here we're going to be doing a dumbbells only at-home workout just for everybody in quarantine. Now, any weight is acceptable, and I'm just going to be doing some workouts here today, so stay tuned. So first we're going to start off with push-up rows. Now this workout is only for beginners. So let's go ahead and get started, all right? So we're going to do 3 sets of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now really drive that elbow back. 8, 9, 10. Great work, guys, great work. Now we did 10 push-ups, 10 push-up rows, that's 1 set. This is a full body workout. Now guys, I always want to put out this disclaimer. I know I work out with no shoes. I want you guys to make sure you have proper protective equipment for when you're using dumbbells or any equipment, period. Now we're gonna do goblet squats. We're gonna get a good wide base. We're gonna go for 10 reps. Now really sink your hips. Get slightly below parallel. Stay on the heels on your feet. You're driving through the heels of your feet. Chest up, head up, eyes up. 10 reps. And that is what we call goblet squats. Great job, guys. Now remember, like, share, subscribe. If you like what you're seeing today, we have many workouts. And also download the Couch Potato app, available in the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store as well. Now next, we're gonna do Russian twists with the dumbbells. Now we're gonna hold our feet straight, keeping our feet off the ground. Got 25 reps. Great workout, guys. Great work, great work. So we're gonna give this a 20-second break, and then we're gonna jump right into clean and press. So now, while we're taking our break, I just wanna explain the clean and press. So I want you guys, when we have the dumbbells, of course, I'll give you a side view. We're gonna actually go into like a clean, and we're gonna be power cleaning. We're gonna catch in a quarter squat and press. And then it starts over, okay? So while you guys are wrapping up your break, that's exactly how we're gonna do the clean and press workout. Remember, this is a full body workout for beginners. So let's go ahead and get started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got 10 reps, let's go. Catching the quarter squat. Same squatting motion, catching the quarter squat and pressing up. Great work, guys. Great work, great work. So now we're gonna go straight into lunges. We're gonna do 10 reps each leg. Let's go, all right? All gas, no brakes, let's go. Now you can alternate legs, which I think is better. So just gonna do 20 reps in all. Great work, guys, great work. So we're actually gonna give a 20-second break. Now remember, go ahead, like this, share it, subscribe it, download the Couch Potato app. It's available in Google Play and in the Apple App Store. Now, if you're on IG, you can always tap the link in my bio just to get the link to get to the Apple App Store. So we have many things on there for you guys to look at and to play with. We're gonna get some more stuff and continuously update it every week with new content. So the next exercise we got going on is the rear delta flies. So I'm just giving a quick example while you guys are on your break. Bend over, back flat, just like that. We're flying, okay? So we got 10 reps of these. Now remember, this is a full body workout. Let's go ahead and get started. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, 10 reps, guys. Stay in control of your weight. Don't clank the weight. Don't bang the weight. Stay in control. Great work, guys, great work. So next what we have is dumbbell curls. So we're gonna hold out the curls. We're just gonna go straight up, 10 reps. Be in control of it. Control the weight. Keep your wrist straight, control the weight. Great work, guys, great work. So now, this is the last exercise until we start the whole dumbbell circuit over. So we have tricep kickbacks, okay? So we're gonna be bent over, elbows bent, 90-degree angle, like that, straight, back into position. Tricep kickbacks, 10 reps. All right, guys, let's go. This will work that back fat in the tricep area. So if you have that jelly on the back of your arm, these will definitely help. Great work, guys, great work. Always remember, stay in control. If you can't stay in control of the weight, you're using too much weight. You want to be in control of the weight and really master each rep. Really be in control of each rep. And then gradually you'll continue to make gains, okay? So even if you have to start with 5 pounds, start with 5 pounds, or even no pounds, you start with no weight, get the technique right, get the form right, and then move up to 5 to 10, 15 to 20, and so on and so forth. So we're actually gonna start over. We have push-up rows for 10 reps. I'm gonna flip this around for you guys so you can see a different angle. So Let's go into goblet squats. Guys, now we're gonna do Russian twists, 25 reps. Great work, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Now we can take a 20-second break here. And then we're going to go straight into clean and press, okay? Go ahead and collect yourself. 20 seconds. We're going to jump right back into it, okay? No rest for the weary. Great work, guys. Great work. Now we're going to go into lunges. 10 reps each leg, 20 in all. Let's go. Finish it out with the rear delt flies, dumbbell curls, tricep kickbacks, and then we're home free. Now I know you guys, your heart should be pumping. You should feel your blood really flowing. This is just a beginner workout for those who might not be ready to jump in off the deep end. We really go back to that personal trainer at the gym who's here to help you guys get just a starter workout. Be back in shape for the real workout. That makes sense. Alright. We're gonna go into rear flies. 10 reps. This, ladies, is a great workout. If you're trying to have that form-fitting dress that has your back out, it's really going to show that you've been working on your back muscles as well, as long as your shoulders too. So now we're going to go into dumbbell curls. Let's go ahead and get started. Now we're gonna finish this up with tricep kickbacks. Now this is gonna really get that jelly fat in the back of your arms. Let's go ahead and get the workout in. Now I want you to be under control. Thank you guys. This was a full body workout, dumbbells only workout for beginners, a full body workout. Now, like, share, download, subscribe, download the Couch Potato app as well. It's available in the Google Play and the Apple App Store. The link is in my Instagram bio. Go ahead, tap in. I'll see you on the next time. Couch Potato, get fit.